One of the few standard power supply product manufacturers, Meanwell was founded in 1982 and is the fourth largest power supply company in the world. As one of Meanwell's earliest distributors, Jameco stocks the majority of the manufacturer's power supplies and has access to all current models. Meanwell prides itself on high product quality, superior designs, and extremely low prices. Used in automated plant controls and panels, Meanwell's DIN rail-mounted switching power supplies are known for their high efficiency, low weight, and compact design. The products are easy to install, and they keep components neatly wired and organized. Meanwell DIN rail power supplies provide competitive solutions for residential and industrial applications such as household appliances, mechanical and electrical equipment, industrial automotive machinery, industrial control systems, electromechanical equipment, and many other applications. The Meanwell HDR series features ultra-slim designs, universal inputs, no-load power consumption, adjustable DC output voltage, and free air convection cooling. The slim HDR series can be installed on TS 35 by 7.5 or TS 35 by 15 mounting rails. Their bodies are 52.5 millimeters in width, which saves cabinet space. The entire series adopts the full range AC input from 85 VAC to 264 VAC and is designed with a plastic housing protecting users from electrical hazards. With a working efficiency of up to 91%, this series can operate at ambient temperatures ranging from minus 30 degrees C to 70 degrees C. Featuring space-saving designs, Meanwell's NDR series features universal AC input and full range, a built-in active PFC function, free air convection cooling, short-circuit overload, overvoltage, and over-temperature protection. The complete series accepts input voltages between 90 VAC and 264 VAC. It's constructed in a metal casing that facilitates power dissipation and can operate at temperatures ranging from minus 20 degrees C to 70 degrees C and with an efficiency of up to 92.5%. Designed for security, alarm, emergency lighting, public safety battery backups, central monitoring, and uninterruptible DC UPS systems, Meanwell's DRS series is a compact, intelligent security power supply solution. Combining DC UPS, battery charging, and status monitoring, this series provides built-in Modbus protocol and optional CAN bus. The DRS series has Form C connectors and LED alarm signals for AC fail, battery low, and DC OK to facilitate the simple integration of security systems. An auxiliary charger circuit adjusts the charge current based on the primary output current. With a 93.5% efficiency, it works in ambient temperatures ranging from minus 30 degrees C to 70 degrees C. Jameco stocks thousands of Meanwell power products that are ready for same-day shipping. We also provide corporations and government agencies with customized service and long-term partnerships. We're here to assist you with your sample and quote requests. Let us know how we can help. Visit us at jameco.com or call us at 800-794-9100 and tell us about your power requirements.